Hello, I'm going to show you today how to work Sibelius and write a simple composition melody. So I'm going to pull up the program Sibelius, and as I'm waiting for it to load, I'm going to start a new file. Okay, so when it first shows up, you get to it'll show you a new score, and this is what it and they work from different templates. So I'm just going to use a simple lead sheet, as it's called. You have the options to change the size of it, of the page, to make it either a portrait or landscape. Portrait being vertical, landscape being horizontal. You also have the option to add or take out instruments within the score. So all it does is just add more instruments. So you click next, and then it'll ask for the type of font that you would like to use. I just prefer this, just the regular unchanged. Next, it'll show you a time signature, which you can change. You can alter right here. You can so there's some of the basic ones that are most common used. And here you click other, you can use other. I'm using regular common time on 4/4. You can add a bar of start with a bar of length. All it does is adds an extra measure before the actual piece starts. You can add a tempo markings. You can add so many beats per minute. I'm just gonna leave that alone. Here you are able to change from major to minor keys. We're gonna just play the C major. Next, you're able to add the title. For this, I'm gonna call it example. Composer, songwriter, just fill in. You're able to fill in whatever information, like I'm doing right here, and so then it's finished. So this is what the overall score looks like. You have your various options up here. Right here is provided playback to play the score back keypad, which allows you to add, subtract notes, change the rhythm of the note, which is always the time and space that it fills up within each measure. And you can, and it's more simple. Sibelius has a cool interface which allows you to just simply press a letter name of a note, and it will and then it'll, first you have to click the measure like I did, and then you are allowed to uh, press whatever note name, and it'll appear. So for instance, I pressed a B on the staff on the treble clef, and it appeared. And you are allowed to alter the pitch any way you choose, alter the rhythm, and and you can use the arrow keys to select it or deselect it, and whatever selected is in blue, as you can see. And so I'm pressing those names, and then I have the option of altering it, and then
Stop!
it helps. It works like this. And so when you're finished composing a piece, you have and you can alter a piece by just pressing File, Export. You can export as an audio MIDI file, a Sibelius file, or a score web page. And then you click, and then it's how it says it puts your title, and you're able to place it as an MP3 or whatever. And then you can choose the folder that you like to put it in. I choose to put it in the desktop. Hey bro, so who's on the phone? No, I'm talking. Do this. Let's do. And then it'll export whatever you have placed, how many how many bars you have placed or whatever. And that is how you properly use Sibelius. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.